In the heart of student life, a world of flavour awaits. Discover the delicious delights of on-campus food outlets.
Whether you need the fuel of a quick snack on the go or a full meal to share with your mates, these foodie destinations have something for everyone. Our diverse menu offers everything from vibrant Asian fusion and authentic street food favourites to fresh salads and nutritious lunch options.
Explore the vast and varied food choices across our 3 main campuses: University Park, Jubilee and Sutton Bonington. Plus, you'll find cafes at the Medical School and Nottingham Lakeside Arts.
I love knowing that I can get a nutritious filling meal in my halls to set me up for the day.
The options in the food court are amazing and they're always really convenient for where I'm studying.
But this is not just about convenience. This is a commitment.
Our campuses are dedicated to providing food choices that are good for you and good for the planet. Working with local and global suppliers to reduce the carbon footprint of our food operations.
We accommodate all allergens, dietary and religious requirements.
Whether I'm sitting down with a healthy lunch or grabbing a quick coffee before heading to the office, there's everything I need on campus.
Wherever you find yourself at the University of Nottingham, a wide range of food and drink options are waiting. There is always something new to discover.
It's time to embark on a culinary adventure. Find your own favourites at the University of Nottingham.